Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nembol or ShipBob tracking email templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Nembol or ShipBob tracking email templates, start by logging into your Nembol or ShipBob account. Navigate to the settings menu, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Locate the email templates section in the settings options. Click on email templates to access the existing templates. If you're using Nembol, find the tracking email template specifically designated for your needs. For ShipBob, look for the option to create or edit existing tracking email templates. Select the template you wish to modify or click on Create New Template to start fresh. In the email editor, begin by customizing the subject line to reflect your brand and the purpose of the email. Next, craft the introduction message, ensuring it is friendly and informative. Incorporate a section for order details, including tracking numbers and links. Add any additional information customers might appreciate, such as estimated delivery times or customer support links. Make use of placeholders to personalize the email, such as customer names and order items. Review the template thoroughly for clarity and consistency in font and branding. Once satisfied with the design, save your changes. If applicable, set your newly created template as the default for future shipments. Finally, send a test email to verify that the template appears correctly in different email clients. Adjust any formatting issues if necessary and resave the template. Your Nembol or ShipBob tracking email template is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.